What's happening, people? May not look like it, but it's an awesome spring day here up north, 73 degrees. The birds are singing and loving it. And we've got ourselves a FedEx package to open up from Foot Locker. We've got some Reebok pumps in here, some Shaq Victory Pumps, and we're going to be opening them up with a Finch product. It's going to be the Finch Runtley XL. Look at that tobacco handle. Yeah, this is a wicked big blade. Look at that. You're dealing with some Shaq shoes, gotta go with a big Shaq style type knife. It's like a machete. Whoosh. Make sure to check out the link below to pick up your own. Shipping was pretty fast with FedEx, by the way. I actually got it a day early, a day before I was supposed to. How about that? No problems with the box either. All right, first look together. Here we go. Pump it up. Look at that. I love the box. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is totally old school. That's awesome. All right. Nice box. Big fan. Pump it up. Lifting the lid now on the pumps. Little review airplane there. Private jet style. Wow, there it is. Okay. First thoughts right away. I'm loving that that neon look on the pump itself. It's a nice looking shoe. Look at that. Beautiful. Figured it's time to try in some pumps. Go outside, take a little walk, try them out. I've got the nice socks on. Yeah, the fancy ones. All right, time for a little pump action. Pump these babies up. So I found out that these can be a little temperamental, so you want to kind of pump right here where this break is. You hear it? Yeah. That tongue is getting nice and tight. Remember, back in the day, this would take a while to pump these things up. Get your hand tired. All right, now that we've got this tongue pumped up, we're going to go ahead and release the air. So the release valve is just going to be right underneath here. Let's go ahead and push that. See if we can hear that air coming out. All right, back outside. It's pretty nice out. Anyway, we got the pumps on. Just threw them on with some jeans. So we got one kind of with the pant leg out, another one with it over the pump. So typical jeans, and go over the tongue, the pump area, no problem. Also leave it out. It's gonna probably be better with like some skinny jeans, situations like that, but it can be done old man style. Kind of brings out a new idea, new phrase to. So the pumps, super comfortable. You know, honestly, they're kind of like, they remind you of like the old school pumps. They're very, I mean, it's the same thing. It like brings you right back. The thing that's going to really kind of stink about these is they're going to be hot in the summer. Like, you're not going to probably want to be wearing these puppies outside in like July or August running around. Good amount of support though. Very comfortable. We got some squish to them. Little air-filled situations. Blue goes with a lot. And we got that neon just popping. Bring you back to those old school memories. Overall, would definitely recommend the Shaq pumps. I'm glad that I picked them up. Got them on sale. They were only $79 at Foot Locker. So hey, watch out for those salespeople. You get what you want, get it on a nice discount. So I'd also like to say the old Shaq pumps here, They fit extremely well according to size. I'm a 10.5, and these puppies fit extremely true to size. Feel great. Hey, gotta tell you that these are like super grippy too. And I'm trying to shimmy all over the place here, spin myself. These puppies are really planting into the ground. Like them. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.